Hello everyone. Hi, this is AMarkets daily review, and my name is Maria Salnikova. I'm here to present you our trading ideas of the day. And this is like the third week that we work together. And of course, those 2 weeks that are already have been traded with us are really profitable. We gave you some good advices for Naira, for Ripple. We gave you good advices for Euro, Dollar, VC, Great Britain Pound, VC Dollar. So there are a bunch of trading ideas that we used already, and I think that there are much more. Also, I hope you still use our range for gold and silver. If you don't know what I'm talking about, so check out our previous videos, and of course I will repeat it for you today. What is the program for my small video about trading ideas? I usually go through the news that will be published today. Then we go through the technical situation and we look at the charts. So we try to find the best time for you to enter market. And I think we should start. Yes, the voice is okay, the sound good. Let's go through the news list. Today is Tuesday, March 20. What we have at 9:30 a.m. United Kingdom will publish retail prices and of course inflation information for February. Also Also, here are some news from Germany and from the Eurozone about the Zoo Economic Sentiment Index. It will be published at 10 a.m. GMT time. I usually give you your time in GMT so you can plus it and minus, of course, due to the time zone where you live now. Okay, due to this information that we have a lot of news from United Kingdom and we have some news from Eurozone, I think the best will be to use, of course, Euro and the Great Britain pound, but those are not only two currencies that we use. I also have some good situation from New Zealand dollar. By the way, tomorrow on Wednesday we have not only the federal the FOMC meeting with a decision on rate, but we also have on Asian time this decision rate from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. That's why I will pay your attention to this currency pair as well. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here is the first chart, and it is euro dollar. This is the 4-hour chart. No, this one is the 4-hour chart. This one is the 4-hour chart, and if you open it on your computer, I'll check here. Look, here is a really strong support of this day and yesterday. It's near the level 1.1330, and the market is hard to go this down. And here's the level of resistance at about 1.2360. So you see that price for euro now is blocked by a strong level of support and strong level of resistance. What we do, we use this range to trade after it will be broken. My long-term idea is that euro will come to 1.25, 1.2640, and it will happen really soon. But technically, if I see that price goes down under 1.22 and like the week will be closed under 1.22, then I change my mind, I change my idea, and it's okay. It's normal for traders, it's okay for an analyst to change their mind due to the picture that they see every day. That's why we're not really restricted and strong about one idea, and we hold even if it's not going to our price. Yes, if the price and the dynamic of the currency pair is not that we are waiting and we are expecting to see, we will just close our deals and follow the market. We don't go against the market, we follow it. So because, well, you know, we're not the strongest one traders here. So let me give you an idea again. I will remind you that we have a range on euro dollar with the support 1.22 and level of resistance 1.25. So here is a range that you see, and we trade with you in this range. Here near the level of support 1.1260 yesterday, you saw that it's a really hard level for the market, and it didn't go under this price until the price is still not breaking all the Ishimoku clouds. If you put on daily chart the Ishimoku indicator, you see that now the price is upper the Ishimoku cloud. Well, if the price will go into this Ishimoku cloud, after that we can start to sell euro dollar. But before that, we think that it's a good idea to keep buying euro dollar. Well, intraday, if you enter market, and this is a new deal for you, I think it will be good to wait until you see the breakup of the 1.2360, and after that you enter with the target 1.2420, 1.2450, and so on. But this is not, of course, not an advice for only one day. For this particular day, I think it will be good to wait until price breaks the level of resistance 1.2360 and enter with the target like 20-30 pips. Not bad. Okay, let's go next. Here is New Zealand dollar. I remind you that we keep buying. We work only technical picture, technical idea. Yesterday we bought New Zealand dollar. It was a good one. Actually, we got like 50 pips for only one deal. The level of support for this currency pair is 0.72, I would say, equal. And for now, you see that the price is trying to go again down to the bottom part of this range. And it's okay. It's really possible that tomorrow on rate decision from Federal Fund or on rate decision from Bank of New Zealand, you see that price will go even to 0.7150, maybe like that. A strong push down, and after that it will rebound and go up. It is really possible, seriously. But technically for now, we are waiting for a rebound and the price to go to 0.7310. So the stop losses, if you enter market, you should put under 0.7160, I think, like that. Let me check intraday particular for now. Yeah, well, entry points for this currency pair is 0.7220. 0.72, and the target is about 60. I think it's like maximum 40-60 pips for this day. Yeah, let's go next. Next. Let's check out what's up with Monero. First one is Monero. I pay your attention to the level of resistance that we have. It's 213. Of course, I should remind you our main idea. Main idea is that now we saw 2 weeks ago, and I gave you a good signal to trade this. I gave it to you. We saw a good rebound from the level of resistance and from the trend line of like 2017, 2018. We saw the rebound and the price went down, and now here is a local rebound from the level of resistance 213, and the target price for us, let me give you an idea why I put this target. Here is the bottom, and here is like a good buyer sitting near 0.60, 160, 150. 2 days ago, price didn't reach those targets and it didn't go to 160. That's why for now I see that here is a good buyer near 160, and I try to sell again with this target. Now the price is 201, 202, so there were like 40 pips, I think, to go down for Monero. Okay, as you see now, we keep selling while price is under 213. Well, I think it's a really good level of resistance and we should use it. Let's go next. Zcash. Zcash also, I showed you our levels. Main levels for Zcash are 220, 202, and after that, here is the target to sell with 180, 170, 180. For now, it's good to sell Zcash, and your target first one is 202. After that, you sell with the target 180. What I do, I only check technical situation, no use for the crypto market now. Let's go to Ripple. Ripple is hard a little bit, but still, I would say that the picture is same, and for now, while price is under 0.7145, here's a big opportunity for price to go down to 0.60. But I wouldn't enter market here. Actually, I wouldn't like it. I like more Monero for now, but not Ripple. If here will be a good situation, technically, I of course will come back to you tomorrow and say that we should enter market here. But for now, I think we should leave it. For Ethereum, also here is a 1-hour chart, and you see a good small range that I should advise you to use. The level of support is 510 and level of resistance is 540. Keep using it, small buys, small sells, and you can enter market couple of times for one day. Okay, BTC Euro. No. Yes, this one, Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, that's what I want to see. This is for our chart, and you see the tendency line. We used it already. I told you about this tendency line maybe a week ago. So follow our YouTube channel, follow our analytics page, so you don't miss our advices. Here is a tendency line on 4-hour chart, and you see that this morning we saw a rebound from this tendency line, and it was a good entry point. For now, what we do, we still enter sell to this instrument, and your target, first one, will be 11.70. For now, the price is 14.90. While the price is under this tendency line, we still keep selling. If the target, if this tendency line will be broken, then we change our target. But for now, it's still okay to sell Ethereum Classic. And next, BTC Euro as well. A little bit more complicated, but only because we can't reach our target, and here is actually now a good buyer. Well, the market is trying to push up the price, but they have no power, seriously, because we saw like 3 times a rebound from the tendency line, and the market is still not hard enough to go up, and I think we should still wait for BTC Euro to go down. The target price, if you sell already, the target price for BTC Euro will be at about 5,250, and yeah, it's pretty much, I think, a close scenario that we can see for a future of BTC Euro. Technically, there is still no answer to buy BTC Euro with a good target, as I wanted to see it, with a good target to 8,600 and so on. Well, not for now. So I think it's good, okay, and it's okay to enter market down to sell from like 7,000 equal. It's okay to sell with a target 6,200, 6,100. Well, those are prices for BTC Euro for you. Okay, what more? What else we can use? United States versus Swiss franc. We discussed it yesterday, and still the target is 0.96, and this is the price where we will wait for rebound. So we don't buy now. We are waiting for price to rebound and to go down. We are not sure about the time when it will happen. Pretty much, I think it's close that the price will reach our target on Wednesday when the FOMC decides their rate decision. But for now, we don't buy. We are waiting for a rebound from this level of resistance. About the Australian dollar, still, I will remind you that we are waiting for price to go down to 0.7640, and now the price is 0.7690. So here are like 50 more pips you can sell, 50-60 pips that you can reach on this trade with Australian dollar. Okay, and what else? UK dollar, Brent, oil Brent. That is what I told you to buy, and whole market will be screaming that we should sell oil. Good that you are listening to us, but not the whole market, because we keep buying this benchmark. We buy Brent, The target is about $68 per barrel. That's what I think will be the target. And for now, the market is still not ready to break the trend line that we have from February of March. Okay, so for the oil, is here is a good target, and it's like $1, even $1.50 upper than the current price. Also, I would like to give you picture of what we have for silver and gold. For silver, we used a range of 16.40, 16.60. Now, the bottom part, the 16.40 is broken, and our new level of support is 16.20. So we have now three levels that are important: 16.20, 16.40, 16.60. So yeah, that is what you should trade for now for silver. And gold, of course, gold for now I would leave actually until the price is above 1,305. I think it's still okay to buy gold, but I'm not sure if the market gives us a good opportunity to buy with the target 1,340. I'm not sure actually. I think that gold will be more interesting tomorrow. It's not the time today to trade gold. We should wait for tomorrow. So that's it, guys. I hope you like our video. I hope you use our trading ideas and you earn money on this. Please thumbs up for this video, of course, and join our channel. This will be really useful for you as a trader, and I will give you advices every day. If you have your comments, please write them below under this video on YouTube. And of course, join our channel. So have a profitable day. Bye bye.